If you make a mistake first time, it is a mistake. If you make same mistake second time, it is accident. If you make same mistake third time, it is suicide. Friends, if you are making same mistake and again and not taking corrective action, you are not taking the opportunity to grow and make sure that filling the gap. There are many things in our life which we are taking for granted, right? In current situation, we are bombarded with lot of information. Information overload is the biggest challenge. Now what happens? There is a complexity created by this information overload, and you are not able to understand where to start your learning or mastering any subject. Then every subject is now researched and added so many things, you are not able to understand from where to start and how much to read, and overall how much time is available for you to master these complex things. If you are, say for example, if you are in software industry and working as a business analyst, you will have to learn lots of things and navigate through a various information oceans. Say for example, you have to understand industry, you have to understand domain, you have to understand technology, you have to understand process. So what is required here? You have to navigate like pilot from lots of things. And how you can do it? Say for example, if you don't have the understanding of particular topic, you will be drowned. You will not be able to reach to the particular destination. So navigation skill is must. How many controls pilot is having in his cockpit? Many controls, but he knows which particular control to be used in which situation, because he is having a big picture. And that is why when he can take off, he knows where should he focus. When he is traveling, where he can focus, and when he is landing, which controls to be used. Now if you have big picture like this, I'm sure you will be able to navigate from the ocean of knowledge, and by doing that you will not only yourself guide yourself, but you will be able to guide entire team. Now for that, what is required? I'm going to share with you two particular techniques here and one tool, and one technique is called chunking. Chunking is very important. You can have sequence different first and second. First of all, whenever you start mastering any subject, any area, you must see the overall pattern. You must organize the information. So that is chunking. In neuro-linguistic programming, it is a way you can start having big picture, smaller picture and detailed picture, and you can have lateral induction, lateral movement also. So this particular technique has four aspects. You can go up, you can go down, you can go lateral, and once you start going in this direction, you can combine. Say for example, you can combine chunking first node to the element 2, and you can have different kind of understanding. So that is how you can use this technique. I will show you the practical aspect in the subsequent slides. Now second is concept retrieval and linking technique. I remember when I was in 6th standard, I was average student, but I got contact with a very good teacher, and what he has started in the class become my habit. What he used to do, he used to ask us to memorize 5 to 10 concepts of the particular subject. Say for example, physics. Physics, he used to ask us to memorize 10 definitions in a week, and afterwards he used to ask us to write as many as definition from all the topics as you can recall, in 20 minutes. So he not only asks us to memorize it, but he also asks us to write it, and he created game out of it. So we started enjoying that memorization. So here, while memorizing, you must understand the concept, and then you have the 5-6 words which can define particular concept. Otherwise, what will happen? You will not be able to retain that information. For example, I will just give one definition where I used as a subject matter is expert in insurance. So insurance is a legal contract between policyholders and insurance company, where policyholders pays premium to the insurance company. In return, insurance companies take responsibility of financial indemnification to the policyholder in the event which is mentioned in the policy document for the given period. Now, you can memorize this definition in chunks, and what happens if you chunk it, you will be able to understand various concepts involved in that definition. So memorization will give you a solid foundation of 10-15 concepts of that subject, and you will start linking all the information up to that bigger picture. Now, where this can be used? These two techniques can be used anywhere. First technique is chunking, and other technique is concept retrieval. Concept retrieval is very, very crucial. You must understand this. Say for example, mobility. As a technology, what is the objective? You must understand the concept behind it. Mobility means making sure that it is available anytime, anywhere. Are you getting this? That is where this concept called mobility comes into picture. And if you understand this basic concept, you can start applying this concept to the various business areas. Similarly, if you take example of blockchain. Blockchain is one source where everyone can check the authenticity of the transaction. If you start understanding higher level concept like this, you will be able to not only chunk up, down, but lateral, and will be master in that particular area. Ready? So applicability will be domain knowledge or industry specific or any project specific requirements, and new technologies or anything. Now I am going to share with you what happened in the past. I failed miserably in one of the examination where I used to give lots of certifications. So this particular slide is showing you organization of life insurance. Now I failed miserably, so I started to understand where is the problem, and I started to understand how I can overcome that problem. So as I said, if you make a mistake first time, it is a mistake, and if you correct it, you will grow. And that's how I managed to grow in the particular area. So what I have done to avoid confusion and tension at the last moment, I used tool called mind map. This particular structure, which is right now shown on the screen, is is drawn by using mind map tool. You can see that entire life insurance concepts at the highest levels are bifurcated into the 14 parts. For that exam, I was having 300-page book, okay, and 300-page book was having 14 topics. Now what I have done, I created a big picture first. If you understand this big picture, I will just navigate it through 5 minutes. What is the industry? What are the contact types? Then what is the financial design? I start linking it. Now, what are the different types of life insurance? Term insurance, endowment insurance, annuities, group plans, health insurance. And then started to understand the concept of those types of insurance. And what are the risks covered by all the types of insurance? Are you getting this? So in just 2-3 minutes, I've given you over a view of life insurance of a big picture. Now, as I said that you have big picture and then go to the smaller picture. So smaller picture, first topic I picked up as an industry, and I have jotted down all the main ideas in keywords, right? So this particular page has converted 20 pages into the one page, and that has given me a lot of clarity where I can focus. Where I have not clarity, I can go back to the textbook and understand the concept in more detail. Similarly, I have done for all the topics, and finally if you look at this screen, entire 300 page book is converted into a 15 page ideas. So how many ideas or concepts or keywords are there? Almost 300-400 things are there. But to start with, you must have something at a higher level to link at a bigger level. So life insurance, you will have definitions, concepts, understanding, and you start linking to the particular concept. And definitely if you take consistent actions and understanding, you will be able to master the subject within shortest span of time. Try this technique. Your efforts will be reduced by 90%, and your memory and sharpness and confidence will be increased by 10x%. Conclude all the things, how you can go about it. ज्ञान बहुत हो गया. What is the call of action? What are the steps you are going to take to achieve big success in your career? No matter if you are business analyst, just started, or want to start your career as a business analyst, or you are just any other IT professional or in any profession, knowledge will drive your expertise. So what is the call of action here? First, build curiosity. I have given in another video how to build curiosity. Okay, so the quality is converted into the skill, and you can practice that curiosity. Once you are interested, then only these techniques will work. If you are not interested, it will not have engagement, it will not have excitement. So you must develop curiosity. Please check my other video, one skill to become the best business analyst. Okay, so once you build once you build your curiosity, second is create the big picture. Memorize, understand at least 10 to 20 concepts so that you will have something to link with. Then what you can do, you can use both techniques, chunking as well as concept retrieval, by using the tool mind map. I am sharing other video how to master mind mapping for different purposes. Here we are talking about how you are mastering a particular subject, not the particular tool. Okay, so my request to all of you, don't worry if you don't have experience. It is your consistent experience, consistent action to master the knowledge and demonstrate in your language. Take my example, I worked 20 years in this particular area, but whenever I shifted to other domain, other project, I have to start again. Although I can pick up few concepts, few ideas from the earlier experience, but I have to start from the scratch many times. But I never felt confused or least confident. My friends, if you start applying these techniques, you will leverage your efforts to the 10x. Wishing you all the best for your success. And if you are very excited to learn more and more techniques like this and achieve transformation in your career, please join Genius Learner Mastermind.